India Today has particularly asked Mallikarjun Kharge about the issue, but it appears he's remained mum on the matter. There's so far no explicit answer that's come in from Mallikarjun Kharge. If we do have that chunk, we're going to play that out for you. Let's listen in while Mallikarjun Kharge was asked about the Swati Maliwal case.
राहुल जी ने 150 कहा है बीजेपी के लिए। आप बीजेपी को कहां तक देख रहे हैं और कांग्रेस पार्टी को आप कहां तक देख रहे हैं? कांग्रेस पार्टी को। सवाल एक सर और है इसमें, अगर आप दे सकें सर। स्वाति मालीवाल को लेकर के दिल्ली मुख्यमंत्री के आवास पर आरोप लगाए गए हैं, उस पर भी आपका रिएक्शन चाहेंगे।
देखिए, आपने जो पहला प्रश्न पूछा उसका जवाब मैं ये देता हूं कि मोदी जी 400 पार पहले से बोलते आ रहे हैं। मैं शर्त लगाता हूं, अगर वो 400 पार 200 पार नहीं कर सकते, 200 पार नहीं कर सकते। बीजेपी को सत्ता में आने के लिए, रोकने के लिए जितने नंबर होना, उससे ज्यादा नंबर हमारे पास आएंगे।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
All right, we're going to play that out for you yet again. Mallikarjun Kharge, well asked about Swati Maliwal case, jumped into answering the question on BJP's 400 par bid. He seemed to have slipped out of that, of answering that question altogether. In fact, Akhilesh Yadav has also reacted. We hear. Let's listen in.
मौजूद हैं अखिलेश जी, आज संयुक्त प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में आपने 400 पार को एक छलावा बताया है, लेकिन
नहीं, छलावा नहीं बताया, नहीं छलावा नहीं बताया। आप बताओ क्या पूछना चाहते हैं?
सवाल ये है कि अमित शाह बार बार ये कह रहे हैं कि 270 तो हो ही गया है 4 चरणों में, 400 पार की बात है।
400 पार इसलिए था कि वो संविधान को बदलना चाहते हैं और उनके सांसद, उनके तमाम प्रत्याशियों ने ये बात रखी है। लेकिन जनता जो 140 करोड़ है, जनता इनको 140 सीटों के लिए तरसा देगी। जितना इनको ऊंचाई पे जाना था, इनका जितना झूठ इन्हें जितना ऊंचा ले जा सकता था लेके गया। अब इनका काउंटडाउन भी है और माउंटेन डाउन भी शुरू हो गया है।
तो स्वाति मालीवाल पे कहें, स्वाति मालीवाल को लेकर के चुप कर, माउंटेन डाउन का अखिलेश यादव है सीधे तौर पर का दावा कर रहे हैं।
अरे भाई आ जाओ ना,
जाने तो दो।
All right. Well, you have. Let me take you through yet again. Mallikarjun Kharge, when asked the question, what he had to say. In fact, he decided, he chose not to answer that question. Mallikarjun Kharge, they're slipping out of the question, particularly asked on Aam Aadmi Party MP of the Rajya Sabha, Swati Maliwal's assault. India Today asking him that very pertinent question, but he slipped away from answering it and jumped into answering, or rather jumped into reiterating his own statement of the BJP not being able to come up with numbers beyond 200 this Lok Sabha. But here's really what played out at that press conference when asked about Swati Maliwal.
राहुल जी ने 150 कहा है बीजेपी के लिए। आप बीजेपी को कहां तक देख रहे हैं और कांग्रेस पार्टी को आप कहां तक देख रहे हैं? कांग्रेस पार्टी को। सवाल एक सर और है इसमें, अगर आप दे सकें सर। स्वाति मालीवाल को लेकर के दिल्ली मुख्यमंत्री के आवास पर आरोप लगाए गए हैं, उस पर भी आपका रिएक्शन चाहेंगे।
देखिए, आपने जो पहला प्रश्न पूछा उसका जवाब मैं ये देता हूं कि मोदी जी 400 पार पहले से बोलते आ रहे हैं। मैं शर्त लगाता हूं, अगर वो 400 पार 200 पार नहीं कर सकते, 200 पार नहीं कर सकते। बीजेपी को सत्ता में आने के लिए, रोकने के लिए जितने नंबर होना, उससे ज्यादा नंबर हमारे पास आएंगे।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
जाना था, इनका जितना झूठ इन्हें जितना ऊंचा ले जा सकता था लेके गया। अब इनका काउंटडाउन भी है और माउंटेन डाउन भी शुरू हो गया है।
तो स्वाति मालीवाल पे कहें, स्वाति मालीवाल को लेकर के चुप कर, माउंटेन डाउन का अखिलेश यादव है सीधे तौर पर का दावा कर रहे हैं।
अरे भाई आ जाओ ना।
All right. Let me cut across to Shreya Chatterjee joining us for more. We're at the protest site where BJP is holding placards and launched this huge attack on the Aam Aadmi Party. Shreya, please bring us more from the protest site. Again, we'd like to hear what are those protesters demanding. We see the women's wing of the BJP out in the streets.
Police action stopping them. We see that the Mahila Morcha protesters have marched forward. They are stopped at the second barricade where the Delhi police is ensuring that they don't march forward. They are trying to move towards the CM residence. आप लोगों को
बिल्कुल हमें उनके घर के अंदर तक मार्च करना है। क्यों? क्योंकि ये सवाल एक महिला के अपमान का है और हिंदुस्तान मोदी जी के राज में एक भी महिला का अपमान हम नहीं सहेंगे और हम सब स्वाति बहन के साथ में हैं। बैरिकेड्स को देखते हैं, तोड़ने की हिम्मत रखेंगे। अभी हमारी सब बहनें भी आ रही हैं और जरूर तोड़ेंगे इस बैरिकेड को और हम आगे जाएंगे और इंसाफ की लड़ाई को हम लड़कर रहेंगे। पूरी भारतीय जनता पार्टी में स्वाति मालीवाल विपक्षी बाद में पहले एक महिला है। अब महिला के सम्मान में हम लोग भाजपा के कार्यकर्ता हैं, मोदी जी के सिपाही हैं, हम मैदान में खड़े होंगे। महिलाओं के सम्मान में महिलाएं मैदान में, क्योंकि कोई भी हो आगे बिल्कुल आगे बढ़ेगा।
They're very excited and jubilant that they will be moving ahead and going to the Chief Minister's residence where they will be amping their protest. You can see that they're very emotional over here. They suggest that they are not BJP workers first. They are women and they will be standing up against an assault that took place against a woman. So this is the scenario over here. And you can see Delhi police over here who's actually announcing to everyone.
लागू है, आप सभी कृपया पीछे रह जाएं। आप सभी से रिक्वेस्ट है कि यहाँ धारा 144 लागू है, कृपया यहाँ से आप आगे नहीं बढ़ें।
So you saw here Delhi police making announcement that there's section 144 implemented over here, so you guys should actually move away. So Delhi police ensuring that the traffic movement that's also halted right now can also be resumed. But these protesters, they're adamant that they will be moving forward. Over to you, Nabila.
Kumar Abhishek is joining us. Stay with us. I'm going to cut across to Kumar Abhishek, who's right there. Abhishek Mishra, beg your pardon, Abhishek Mishra, who's right there asking questions to the Samajwadi Party Neta on Swati Maliwal. We believe they haven't received it quite well. Members of the SP turning violent after that question was asked. Abhishek, please go on. What happened? Abhishek, if you can hear me. Abhishek, if you can hear me, please go on. What happened? Did the SP take a question asked on Swati Maliwal well? We hear that their supporters turned slightly rough when you ask those questions, pertinent questions to the India Bloc ally, to the AAP's ally SP. As part of the India Bloc, they're all allies now fighting elections together. A pertinent question asked on assault on Swati Maliwal at Arvind Kejriwal's residence. What was the answer you got? Abhishek, please go on. What happened?
Yes. So there was a joint press conference here in Lucknow of Mallikarjun Kharge along with the SP chief Akhilesh Yadav, and both ignored the question of Swati Maliwal. We asked Kharge about the fact that what is their stand. He keeps mum. He didn't react to it. And at the same time, when we interacted with Akhilesh Yadav, although he was speaking about a 400 par slogan is a false claim by the BJP, but when asked about Swati Maliwal's assault, he again ignored the question and didn't react to it. So certainly opposition has a clear realization that the Maliwal's case could certainly, will not be in a position of defense. And that is why both of them not reacted to it, and constantly they were targeting the Modi government on other issues. But indeed, with the kind of protest which is happening there in Delhi, and also the BJP and the other, allies of the NDA are constantly taking this issue as well. But the opposition decided to silent at the moment. They are not reacting, and they know for the fact that this could escalate further if they comment on it, and that's why Kharge and Akhilesh both didn't answer the question and kept mum on the issue of Swati Maliwal. Yes.
All right. You know what? I'm going to cut across to Akhilesh Yadav. What he said when you asked that question. Let's listen in.
After स्वाति मालीवाल पे कहेंगे, स्वाति मालीवाल को लेकर के चुप कर माउंटेन डाउन का अपने अखिलेश यादव है सीधे तौर पर का दावा कर रहे हैं।
अरे भाई आ जाओ ना,
जाने तो दो भाई। तो स्वाति मालीवाल पे कहेंगे, स्वाति मालीवाल को लेकर के चुप कर माउंटेन डाउन का अपने अखिलेश यादव है सीधे तौर पर का दावा कर रहे हैं।
अरे भाई आ जाओ ना,
जाने तो दो भाई।
All right, Abhishek Mishra there with us. Abhishek, SP Chief Akhilesh Yadav literally asked you to give way, wanting to move out, not responding to a case, Swati Maliwal's assault case. It appears that they feel this is an internal matter, but this, let me clarify, is an assault on a woman, a sitting MP, a Rajya Sabha MP. Swati Maliwal is an important person within the Aam Aadmi Party. She's been the TCW chief, so certainly something that could have come as a response from Akhilesh Yadav, but he decided to stay mum, he and Mallikarjun Kharge.
Well, absolutely, and you know, this is something very ironic with the fact that they both are talking about what the policies India Alliance is having. They're looking at a number which is victorious for them. They claim that they've, you know, the sentiment in their favor. They want to save the constitution. They're talking about the rights of women, rights of the people of this country. But at the same time, this issue which is escalating right now in the nation, where a sitting MP, member of parliament, have been assaulted, and with the fact that how their own leaders have a fair realization of the fact that what is happening in Delhi, but instead of that, they ignored the question. And even if you see, when I asked the question to Akhilesh Yadav, he ignored and not even responded in a word. And although I was taken away. So it's a very clear indication that they know the sentiment, they know the what is happening actually, and if in any way they react to it, that could certainly go against them. And Swati Maliwal, indeed, who is voicing all alone in this battle, is something which could be problematic for the alliance in Uttar Pradesh, in Delhi, in the northern part of India. And that is why, both of them decided not to react to it and clearly ignored the question. But the politics is emerging and it's happening a lot, getting a lot of heat pan-India. And that's why, the opposition knows for the fact that it is not the right time, and that's why they kind of, ignored the question and not reacted to it.